Hello, quilting friends. Happy Feature Friday, everybody. I am coming to you from the Houston International Quilt Festival. And behind me, I don't know if you can see if I tilt my camera up, we have a beautiful and most exquisite display of red, white, and blue quilts that I just had to share with y'all. It goes all the way up to the ceiling, so we've got tons and tons of gorgeousness, and I just thought I had to share. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and walk as slow as I can so I don't make anybody dizzy, but I just thought, how beautiful is this display of quilts that goes all the way up to the ceiling. I'm gonna turn you guys around. I'm so glad I could share with all of you who couldn't be here at the festival this year. All right, everybody, so as you can see, this display goes all the way up to the ceiling. We've got beautiful quilts with flying geese and log cabins and all kinds of different styles up here. The quilting is just amazing on all of these pieces, and what a beautiful display. This little one down here has little tiny hexes all sewn together. I just love it. And I don't know if you can tell, but as we go around this display, it's double-sided. So not only are we looking at quilts on the outside, but I can also go inside and look at displays on the inside of this giant circle. I think this is so wonderful, everybody. I just love this display. So much time and effort was put into all of this. So I'm gonna just slowly walk around so you guys can see everything. I'm so glad I could bring this to y'all. Oh, there's one with Lady Liberty on it.
The dog in this one, you look at it, you don't really know.
Oh, that beautiful piece up there with an eagle in the center. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope the camera is picking up. This one on the bottom is nice and sparkly as well. Great embellishments on that one. We've got a gorgeous red, white, and blue horse here. I can't even imagine all of the time that's gone into these pieces. We're gonna walk inside the circle so you can see a few of the quilts inside the circle. I might not be able to get as far up because it's a little bit tighter in here. Oh, that's cute with the bicycle. So look at all these wonderful pieces. And then we also have red, white, and blue traditions in miniature. So there's some really beautiful little teeny tiny quilts. And if I can actually get up close to these, look at all the pretty quilting on these little tiny quilts. Look at those tiny pieces. Gives me something to strive for. We're gonna come around to the front. Couple larger quilts here. And we'll come around and here's some more miniature quilts. Oh, this one has little teeny hexes in it. Look at how tiny those are.
Are you Rick? You're Rick. Yes, I'm Rick. Okay, cool. I'm Gary.
Well, I am so glad that I could share this beautiful red, white, and blue display with y'all. I am going to take as much time as I can at this very busy show to share as many quilts as I can with you as possible. I'm going to be taking pictures when I can. I'm gonna sneak around and see if I can find any goodies to bring home with me. There is space in my suitcase, so I might find a couple goodies that I'll eventually be able to share with you on our Feature Fridays coming up so that I can make some new quilts. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and we will see you soon.